If you're wondering about MatchPhotos AI and whether it's the next big thing in AI software, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this software, especially if you're considering adding it to your toolkit. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it does, who it's for, and whether it's worth your time. Stick around because I'll also share how you can try it for completely free from the link below. So let's jump right in. First, what is our MatchPhotos AI key? In short, it's an AI-powered tool that uses image recognition and machine learning to help you instantly find similar images to a given reference photo. Whether you're working on a marketing campaign, social media, or simply need to locate high-quality visuals, this software helps you save time by automating the image search process. Now let's talk about its core functionality. MatchPhotos AI works by analyzing the content, colors, and textures of a reference image, and then pulling up visually similar images across multiple sources. This makes it super useful for creative professionals who need to find the right visuals quickly without spending hours scrolling through stock photo libraries. One of the first things you'll notice is how fast it works. While traditional image search tools can take a while to narrow down results, MatchPhotos AI offers lightning-fast searches, returning relevant options in a matter of seconds. This speed is a huge advantage, especially if you're working under tight deadlines or managing multiple projects at once. But what about customization? Another major benefit of MatchPhotos AI is its ability to refine searches based on your specific needs. For instance, you can adjust parameters like image style, color palette, or even the complexity of the visual you're looking for. This is a big plus, as it allows you to narrow down results to exactly what you need without endless trial and error. MatchPhotos AI also stands out with its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not technically inclined, you can jump right in and start searching for images without a steep learning curve. The platform is designed to be intuitive, with clear navigation and simple tools for tweaking search results. Now, while the software is incredibly efficient, there are some limitations to be aware of. It's important to note that, like any AI-powered tool, its accuracy depends on the quality and clarity of the input images. If the reference photo is blurry or too abstract, the results may not be as precise. But this is a common limitation across AI-based tools, and as the software continues to evolve, it'll likely improve in this area. In terms of pricing, MatchPhotos AI is a bit different from most image search tools. Instead of a flat subscription fee, it uses a pay-per-use model, which means you only pay for the images you actually use. This can be a great option if you don't need to perform massive amounts of image searches every month, as it keeps your costs low and flexible. Here's something to keep in mind. If you're someone who's just starting to explore AI software, MatchPhotos AI is a fantastic way to get your feet wet. It's simple, fast, and practical, offering real value to anyone who needs to find images quickly and efficiently. And if you're wondering if it's worth trying, remember, you can test out MatchPhotos AI for completely free, using the link in the description below. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or business owner, this tool can seriously streamline your workflow. Now, before we wrap up, I want to let you know that I've spent a lot of time testing thousands of AI softwares, and I've compiled a list of my personal favorites. Tools that actually bring value. You can check them all out and try them for free down in the description. So if you're looking for an easy and efficient way to find the right images for your projects, MatchPhotos AI might just be the tool you've been searching for. Try it out for free and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.